Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. Bit of a different video today. We are been to Benidorm bus station, international bus station. I hate to say, since last time we've been here, it's changed a lot. I mean, it has sort of become a lot more derelict. You can't get to level 2, where, I mean, last time we come, level 2 had a Mercadona on. Surprisingly, I mean, something unusual to have in a bus station, but it's Benidorm. Then level 3, they had like a gym, a donut shop and a clothes shop as well. To a demo shop. I think the gym's just about staying open. Go check out Mad Mike's channel for that video. Not sure if we were meant to be up there, to be honest. Oh, Benidorm Ball. Yeah, go check out Benidorm Ball for that video. So yeah, you got all your bays round here as well. The ticket office is just through the back there. Good thing as well, they have a cafe. So if you're wanting a bit of a meal before you go off on your coach, you can. Think some of the meals are quite cheap as well, actually. So yeah, pretty reasonable. Just quickly show you the ticket office. Then we'll head on over and show you the tram station. Do have some vending machines there as well. 24 other vending machines. Then of course, as we come through the doors here, toilets at the far end, little sort of cafe there as well, doing everything from an English breakfast to gammon and chips with the drink, by looks of it. English breakfast, €6.90, but I mean, you get a good plate full, you get a drink as well, so I mean, worth it. Then of course, some of the places you can go to from here, like, you can basically go anywhere in Spain. I mean, Madrid, Alicante, Xavier, Dania, places like that. Then ticket office just there. Think you can also get your coaches to like drop you off one place, so you can get another coach somewhere else. Like, I think you can get them sort of tickets there, so you could maybe do something like Benidorm to Madrid, then from Madrid get a coach to Galicia, which is where my ex-girlfriend supposedly lived. Anyway, just quick check the sort of vending machine prices. Bag of crisps $1.50, Mars bar $1.40, Kit Kat $1.40, carton of juice €1, bag of peanuts 80 cents. Some sort of like Haribo type sweets $2.20. Pack of chewing gum €1 or €1.50. Then you do have your water machines and as well your hot machines. Yeah, I'll probably say it would be better maybe nip in a supermarket before you come up and get in some snacks. But here's a fact, Benidorm bus station doubles as Benidorm Airport. Well, Alicante Airport, I should say. Yeah, becomes a double for the airport in most movies and shows about Benidorm. I mean, Christmas special at Benidorm. You remember the scene with all the Santas coming down the escalator? Filmed in here. Yeah, these exact escalators as well, guys. Not sure if you've seen It's Nose in Benidorm yet. The scene where Mr. Timothy Spall's sat here trying to phone his brother, sort of say like, I'm in Benidorm, where are you? I thought you were coming to meet me, like thought you were coming to pick me up. That scene is filmed exactly here, so yeah, this place has kind of got its claim to fame, but as you'll see in Benidorm Bolt's video, it is sort of becoming a bit derelict and abandoned. And as Mike did say, he thinks it won't really be knocked down as the original plan was. We do think it will just be a sort of refurbishment sort of thing. Think it'll be something like a reurbanisation project.
Nightclub would be good.
A nightclub?
Double level nightclub. At the whole lot.
A double level nightclub in a bus station. Why would you have a nightclub in a bloody bus station?
It's fair away from everything there.
Yeah, true.
There's soundproofing in there. You've only got the hotel to put the sound off. Yeah. Funniest place for spot parking.
I mean, yeah, it could work. Anyway, gonna cross over the road. You do have your tram station with, of course, connecting trams to Alicante, Dania, Calpe. So, yeah, if you have missed your bus, there's always a possibility of getting a tram. And to be honest, it's not a short walk into Benidorm, not only but maybe hour and a half. So yeah, if you've got a hotel in Benidorm, should be alright.
Half an hour in Benidorm, isn't it?
Yeah, about half an hour or so, of course, it's the taxi rank as well. You can easily hop in a taxi if need be. Or of course, if you are a bit lost, just maybe ask the locals or something and I probably will point you in the right direction. Now, the funny thing is, Benidorm Intermodal, like international
Yeah, Marcus, come on.
This is you couldn't talk earlier. No, I can't talk. International tram station. You'll think it's going to be like big, numerous platforms. To be fair, it's just one sort of tiny station. Not really two-way either. Still helpful. Then of course just up to back there I noticed earlier you got the fast station and some fans. Anyway guys, taxi ranks there if you do get sort of stuck up this end. But if you do know your way round Benidorm, you can probably easily walk it. I mean, nice walk through Squirrel Park as I call it. Eventually come back out sort of where you might know a Benidorm. Anyway, yeah, just saying that. Bless you. Gracias. You got a signpost there literally saying Centro Urbano. City centre is just sort of straight on. So I mean, yeah, not too bad. City centre is literally sort of. Yeah, if you walk, you got to go under the underpass. But I mean, city centre's literally just sort of that way, and Winconent sort of like that direction sort of thing. So I mean, you should be alright. Anyway, gonna finish the video here. Hit the like, hit subscribe. Thanks for watching. Let me know if you've ever actually used Benidorm bus station before as well. So see you in the next one, guys.